How to maximize productivity with the Huawei MateBook and Huawei Super Devices features? Well, to many people, being productive usually means working on a couple of devices like a laptop or PC and a smartphone. Adding another devices into the mix is uncommon since separate devices are expected to operate independently, which could break your workflow. That's the case unless you have a powerful ecosystem that can create a smart office experience. Hi guys, Earl here with HugoTech, and join us as we explore Huawei Super Device System, which consists of multiple devices that work together to create a smart office experience and how it can maximize our productivity. So for our setup, we will be working on 5 devices. The Huawei MateBook 14S laptop, the Huawei P50 Pro smartphone, the Huawei MatePad 11 with Huawei M Pencil and Smart Keyboard. That's a lot of devices just to get things done, but wait till you see how amazing these devices work together and make our life easier. What we have here is the Huawei MateBook 14S. We're introducing this first as it will be our hub for our super device system, which is just right as laptops are the usual go-to device for productivity. We have used this for writing articles, browsing social media, and creating documents or presentation. On the other hand, we have the Huawei P50 Pro, which is what we used for productivity given its powerful cameras. So let's say we have taken an interesting photo on the P50 Pro and we want to use it on the presentation that we are now doing on the MateBook 14S. How to do it? On the MateBook, we'll just click on the control panel on the lower right. Then click on the Super Device icon to bring up the Super Device dashboard. As you can see, the P50 Pro, represented by a smartphone icon, has appeared on the dashboard. All we have to do is click on that icon and drag that towards the center where we can see the laptop icon. The laptop and the smartphone will instantly connect and the P50 Pro screen will appear on the MateBook. We can now access the phone's gallery and copy the photos that we need. And since we're here, we can also access other phones feature. We just need to click on the plus sign on the top of the phone window to open another app like a notepad. We can open up 3 windows and copy any information from there and paste it on the MateBook. As you can see, we didn't even have to stop using the MateBook and get the P50 Pro. We were able to access the phone's features directly from the laptop. And that's super multitasking. For the next scenario, we have the MatePad 11 tablet with a Huawei M Pencil. Most of the time, we use tablets to delegate tasks that we don't want to do in a laptop, like watching videos, doing work, or play games. But in a Huawei Super Device system, it can extend the functionality of our MateBook. To pair the MatePad to our MateBook, we do the same thing. On the MateBook, let's launch the control panel, click on Super Device, then drag the tablet icon to the center. From there, with the help of Extend Mode, the MatePad literally becomes an extension of the MateBook, allowing you to use the tablet as a secondary screen, which is great if you use plenty of windows. You can also use Mirror Mode to mirror the MateBook screen on the tablet and use the M Pencil on it, giving the MateBook some tablet capabilities. Or you can use Collaborate Mode so you can drag and drop files between your computer and your tablet, similar to what we did on the P50 Pro. You can even use the MateBook's keyboard and trackpad to interact with the MatePad. Having a tablet that works seamlessly with a laptop works wonders as we can use the tablet to sign documents we receive on the laptop. Remember the photos we received earlier from the P50 Pro? We can send it over to the MatePad for additional creative work using the stylus before we post it on social media. Now let's bring everything together. With the Huawei MateBook 14S in front of us, the Huawei P50 Pro on the side, and the Huawei MatePad 11 on the other, we can now start using these tools to get things done faster and more efficiently. Let's say we need to create a graphics for our presentation that we're working on the MateBook 14S. All we need to do is take the P50 Pro and use it as our primary camera. Let's take a few shots here and there. Now, it needs some editing to make it look better, so we're going to access the P50 Pro on our MateBook. From the MateBook, we're going to launch Super Device, pair the P50 Pro like so, then drag the photo to our desktop to prepare it for editing. And to make sure we're going to see other windows, we will also pair the MatePad to the MateBook and use it as a secondary display. Now we're just going to edit the photo to make it look better. And we're done. But it still needs some creative work, a little sketch here and there to make it more artsy. So for that, We're going to exit extend mode on the MatePad, enter collaborate mode so we can send our photo on the MatePad. It's difficult to draw things on your laptop, so we're glad to have a tablet like the MatePad and its M Pencil. We're just going to add some doodles here and some effects here, and it's good. Now it's time to transfer the finished graphics to the MateBook so we can add it on our presentation. And while we are finishing this, you can go back onto the extend mode on our MatePad so you can view more windows for better multitasking. We can even use it to take online meetings or for entertainment once we're done. Let's step back for a moment. You probably noticed that the workflow involves multiple files and they are stored in different devices. You might think that everything is scattered and finding that specific file would be extremely difficult, but that's not the case as you can search for files across multiple devices using the Huawei AI search. Just tap the name on the file on the Huawei AI search bar and it will list all the files related to that. Then just drag and drop as needed. As you can see, having multiple devices shouldn't be a chore or a distraction. It should have the capability to work with your other devices seamlessly, extend its functionality, which in return maximizes your productivity. Take note that we are using 3 devices. How much more if we have more Huawei devices in this system? However, not all product brands have this kind of functionality. Huawei is just one of the rare ones. So if you want to take advantage of the super device strategy and the smart office experience, get a Huawei device. And there you have it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yougetech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Narelle, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.